This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Large ranch across from Pamona Lake with over 1,800 square feet on the main floor. Walk across the street to the lake. Has a pool, tennis court and clubhouse with HOA. 110-mile park and boat ramp just around the corner. Home has lots of potential and needs some finishing touches. 3-car garage plus a big workshop in addition. Needs flooring, paint and cabinet doors. Seller has several items at home to help with finishes. Cabinet faces and doors are ready for the handy person. Home appraised at $204,000. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.